Are you sweating to death?
I'm kind of cool. Can we turn them down?
No.
You want to turn down?
No, it does not.
I'm kidding. Sorry.
This one good?
I'm good with that, yeah, because I air dry, you know what I'm saying?
I paid $8 for this shirt. I'm trying to protect it.
You paid what, $8 for that shirt? Yeah. Did it come with $4 in the pocket? Whew. It's a little musty up here, huh?
It's me.
Is it you?
It's just me. Sorry, man.
It's like muggy-uggy.
Muggy-uggy.
Like you could feel that rain coming, like the humidity just went up to the thigh kind of thing. You're on double secret probation right now. Double secret. Let me play you guys one off of our new CD. Baby, I won't drive to the end of the world with me. If we leave now, we'd be a mile mark of 0, round a quarter to 3. We found a spot in the sand where we could lay low until the sun dips in the Gulf of Mexico. Baby, pack our bags, we'll head south to the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys. Now come along with me, 'cause I believe you'll never want to leave the Florida Keys, where we can start at the Hawk's Breath, have a run or four, and then across the street to Sloppy Joe's, where we're probably gonna have a few more. Then later on tonight, by the light of the moon, girl, we could crawl down Duval back to the motel room, where you and I could feel young, have fun just like we did before. Down in the Florida Keys. Oh, come along with me, 'cause I believe you'll never want to leave the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys, I wanna feel that breeze just blowing through my head. Got no worries or cares, it makes me feel so free. Y'all hear that song on the wind? And ooh, can feel the sun kiss your skin. From Alvarado over to Marathon, from Key West to Key Largo, you can't go wrong. Just let the ocean wash away last night, let a new day begin. Down in the Florida Keys, y'all come along with me, 'cause I believe we'll never want to leave the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys, baby, I want to see that breeze just blowing through your hair. Got no worries or cares, they make you feel so free. Yeah, I believe we will never want to leave the Florida Keys. Thank you.
Had to bring old Godzilla back out, dude.
The Zilla. Can't beat the Zilla, right? Zilla, Zilla.
This handsome gentleman next to me over here is Mr. Scott Ritchie playing lead guitar. Yeah, he's pretty amazing. He's an illegitimate child of Ernest Hemingway and Kenny Rogers. Mom didn't tell you, did she?
Ouch.
My name is Tony Manfredi, and we're happy to be here playing for you guys today.
Hey, we'll be back when hurricane season's over. Give us just a few minutes, hey, and let us dry some shit up here.
Okay, we survived. We're back.
Standing on the beach, drinking my hand. I got $1 million view anywhere that I stand. I don't think I could have chose a finer location to let my mind breathe and give my soul a vacation. Everyone I meet becomes a friend of mine, and everything I do is running right on time. I'm just sitting in the sun, playing and singing, with nowhere to be and no cell phone ringing. Baby, I don't worry, I just raise my glass, thankful I'm still alive. Yeah, they say a show breeze cleaner, and damn, this grass sure is greener on the other side. Man, I'm just floating on a boat, wetting the line, passing round a raft with some friends of mine. Got some drink in the cooler, sitting on ice. Man, I got 2 more rolling, damn, it smells so nice. Now later that night, we'll be hanging at this bar. Got money in my pocket and my girl on my arm. Big tip and all these service loaded drinks they be slinging. Got nowhere to be, got no cell phone ringing. Yeah, baby, I don't worry, I just raised my glass, thankful I'm still alive. Cause this air show breeze cleaner, and don't this grass sure look greener on the other side. And I'm just rolling with the punches, bobbing and weaving, back to the grind for these people I believe in. Working hard, just trying to supply my family with that little bigger piece of the pie. Till I stand on that beach with $1 million view, man, I just keep on rolling. That's all I know to do till I'm sitting in the sun, playing and singing, with nowhere to be and no cell phone ringing. Yeah, baby, I don't worry, I just raised my glass. I can't believe I survived. Cause this air sure breeze cleaner, and don't this grass sure look greener on the other side. Yeah, this air sure breeze cleaner, and Lord, this grass is damn sure greener on the other side. Here on the other side, here on the other side, yeah, on the other side. Thank you.
I was just about to bust into a solo.
Want to keep going? You do you, boo-boo. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Good news is that's tomorrow.
Today? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that.
So that last Sprite I got is like nothing but soda water. I'm not happy about it, but I'm not mad about it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
We should do shots. What did you say?
Dude, don't old people drink soda water? Like my grandfather would do that. Hey, let me get a club soda. Who drinks a club soda? Like what club is that, right?
I don't want to go to that club.
I'll have a club soda and a lime.
Oh.
You sure you don't want some water and just a
So
good
edgy.
idea to go with that?
Happy Sunday!
Sunday, fun day.
Yeah, that might well be better now.
Man, I don't know who you're yelling at.
Thank you, sir.
Make me yell at you, man.
You gotta go around with the shirt, the shorts, the strap. What's going on, man?
Bro,
You're all freaking.
I'll tell you what, man.
You're dicked out. Is this Michelle's doing?
I'm waiting for Maxim magazine to find me, you know?
I'll get. I mean, you turn them down once, they're not coming back. You keep thinking they're coming back. You turn them down. They're not running back. You turn them down, man.